हेलो साथीहरू नमस्ते सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ म पनि सन्चै छु। आज मैले मेरो छोराको वान अफ द बेस्ट नास्ताको रेसिपी लिएर आएकी छु। त्यसैले यो रेसिपीको भोइस ओभर पनि मेरो छोराले नै गर्दैछ।
Today we are making chili noodle dumplings. For that you will need whole wheat flour dough or atta dough, and you will make them into small pieces for making the dumpling paper. Once you have separated them, roll them nicely with your palm and then press lightly and dunk them in the whole wheat flour. You can also use refined flour if you don't have whole wheat flour. Now with the rolling pin, by pressing lightly on the dough, you will make a circular dumpling paper. It should be something like this. Now with the others too, you're going to repeat the same process. Our dumpling papers are done. They should look something like this. Now we're going to take the chili sauce which we made in our previous laughing video. We're going to spread it there nicely. After you have done that, you're going to put some noodles. We have the YY noodles here. Keep some cut up chili and onion. Now carefully, without spilling anything, we're going to fold it. You can do this in any design. Now simply press it in your palm so that the opening does not break when we are boiling it. Repeat the same thing with the others too. Our dumplings are looking something like this. Now in a pot, take some boiling water. Put your dumplings in them and keep the flame medium high. Continue cooking them and keep on checking them to ensure that the dumplings haven't broke. Now in a new batch, we're going to make one with cheese. It's just the same process, but we're just putting cheese in it. I highly recommend making one with the cheese because it just enhances the flavor. And the new batch with the cheese is also a different design. You can just experiment with the designs and do which one's better. Once these are ready, we are taking out the previous batch. Be careful, these dumplings are very fragile and might break easily. Now in the same water, we're going to put the new batch with the cheese on. We're also gonna let these cook and keep on checking if the dumplings have broke or not. These batches are also done. You can serve this with chutney, ketchup or any other dressing. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and comment down below which recipes you would like to learn next. Bye for now.